Scotland, 1840. The class division between rich and poor creates an atmosphere of corruption and decay. The impoverished conditions in which some are forced to live make many resort to criminal acts so blood-curdling that only the most morally decayed and twisted individuals can make a profit. The two men you are now observing here felt that they could have their piece of the pie via grave robbing. Due to laws limiting the amount of cadavers given to medical men for experimental research, many doctors felt it worth their while to pay people to dig up freshly buried corpses to experiment on. While some doctors had dreams of curing diseases and other maladies, others had different motives for the bodies in mind. The graveyard attendant kept watch till the wee hours of the morning in hopes of catching the desperate perverts who robbed corpses with little or no thought. Since grave robbing is a crime punishable by hanging, most grave robbers would do anything to protect their identities. Survival by any means possible is the story here. For the grave robber, the more bodies exhumed, the more money to support their sordid habits. To a subhuman cannibal such as a ghoul, dead bodies are the equivalent of a mouth-watering steak. Attempting to take the dinner away from a ghoul has the same effect as trying to take a pork chop from a starving Rottweiler. In the case of our two grave robbers, it seems as though they plundered one grave too many.